In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an emergency contact on your iPhone. So if you want to add an emergency contact to the lock screen on your phone, so if you were to get into some kind of accident, then your emergency contacts would be available on the lock screen on your iPhone. So to go and set this up, we first need to come over to our home screen. Using the search box, go and search for the word health and open up the health application. Click on your profile icon in the top right hand side. Click on medical ID. Make sure that emergency access is turned on and enabled, and also make sure share during emergency call is also turned on. We're then going to scroll down to the emergency contact section and click on the add button. Click on add emergency contact, then just go and select your contact that you want to add to your emergency list. You also need to select the relationship that this person has to you. So I'm just going to select family member, and you can also add multiple emergency contacts. I'm just going to keep the one for this video. And once you finish, click on done in the top right hand side. Now what we can do is come over to the lock screen on your phone, and if you swipe up to go in unlock your iPhone, you'll notice in the bottom left hand side we're going to have this option to click on emergency. So if I select that and then click on medical ID in the bottom left hand side, from here you'll be able to see all of the emergency contacts on your iPhone, and it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.